I'm surprised GM went with that, the plastic looking like that.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
it costs too much for them to do something else though, right?
Yeah.
It's a lot of surface area.
Yeah. Plus the water gets back there, so they can't really use a different material, right?
Yeah, the carbon fiber engine cover looks really nice actually. That's the first time I've seen
Yeah, it's the
that.
first time I've seen that too.
Yeah. It's not bad either. $6.99. I mean, it's USD, so it is more expensive with the conversion, but
It's not too bad.
It makes it pop. Yeah,
It
what I
does.
did notice though is that yeah. So do you notice? So mine's kind of yours has a greenish tint to the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
And then if you come to look at mine, mine's got like a more of a reddish tint to it.
I'm gonna have to look at
Yeah.
that for sure.
There's all sorts. Like some carbon fibers have a blue tint to it. It's depends on the manufacturing processes. So. But no, that looks great. That's really nice. There's a company out who actually in America who does you see the painted engine covers. He paints it. He's done like rapid blue engine covers, yellow, all sorts of stuff. Anyone change their oil yet?
No.
No.
No oil change, nothing like that?
Put the 2 extra quarts in it for the track, but not the... Yeah,
I should probably take mine in soon. I'm at like almost 6,000 kilometers.
Oh yeah, holy.
Mine, so.
Why, you got 6 on yours?
Yeah, I've been driving the crap
I got 6
out of
on this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, damn,
Holy
okay.
crap, I thought the way I see you driving around town, I thought you'd be way over. Really? You only got 6?
Yeah, just 6. Yeah.
What are you at,
I'm at 38.
Yeah, I got mine very end of March.
Yeah, you got yours
6
before
months.
mine, and
It's been 6 months.
Man, I gotta slow down here.
I want to go see what he was talking about, how the carbon fiber though he was saying was different.
Fiber was a different color.
Okay, take a good look at this one first. He says this one kind of has a greenish tint. Keep that in the memory.
But they're working on a custom. They said they're going to do the front lip that you have minus the fins.
Yeah.
So
it'll match this one. Yeah, we're doing our front lip is like...
Well, wing's got to be.
Yeah, it's definitely a little bit different. Not too different though. You definitely wouldn't notice.
Everything has the clamp. So basically we're doing it ourselves in our garage.
Yeah.
No lift, nothing.
I hope we don't mess that one up.
What do you think of the carbon fiber cover on that
Bring
one?
it in after we mess
I
it
like
up.
it.
Yeah, I guess so.
We know somebody.
Yeah, I think that looks good.
Oh man.
Just don't break the clips.
Yeah, jeez.
It's like really sporty looking because that one doesn't have like any of the writing or nothing on it.
It would look.
Did you notice that though, Dad?
Yeah, I did. It doesn't have the Corvette on it.
Yeah, it doesn't have the Corvette on the side or the flag, nothing, yeah. It's like really kind of like bare. You like the silver?
Yeah, like the silver.
Blade silver, they call that one? Right?
I think that's a blade silver.
Is there a different silver?
I think there is, isn't it? I thought there was 2 silvers.
Might be right.
You got a beautiful car there, buddy. I love it.
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit more.
Is that what they are? Bigger?
This is the big show.
Coloring the tires. There was
They make sure you got it latched in, eh, right?
Windows too.
Of course.
No, let's make it fair.
And that's just practicing because we're going to do a race here. Convertible versus hand convertible, I guess.
I gotta think about this.
Make sure your shoes are tied too. You gotta be tied.
Tripping over your laces.
Can you imagine I'm carrying this and just right on the ground?
And your trunk has to be open already?
No. We can't cheat. It's gonna be a fair race.
Oh, I see what you do. Oh, okay.
I think I think starting inside would probably be better.
No, it's cheating.
What do you mean? No, why?
Cheating.
Yeah, let's see.
I think I got this.
Alright, when are we starting?
No, wait,
You guys are gonna race. I know. So it's gonna be fun. The slowest C8 race. Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win? You think the convertible can get its top down before he can put her in the trunk?
I'm just thinking.
No, I think the
15.
I think the coupe will win.
Same thing.
convertible or whatever, put the top down, and he's gonna try and put his coupe top down before the convertible. I think you'd have to be.
Pizza bag.
So these are.
Or come record the exhaust.
Does anybody know that
Doesn't
guy?
sound good. I think it sounds like shit.
Oh, he's got the Torts
It's
engine
got the
red
painted
cover.
cover, right?
Yeah, that's
Huge
different.
difference though in power. Yeah, you gotta hear this one.
No,
I don't like them either. I don't want
Yeah.
to change the whole cat back. I just want to give it a
You
little.
went the round.
because it sounded fucking great when you came in.
Yeah, give us a start here. Give us a start. Let's see this.
And if you want, if you won't, if you look on the side of the
Cool. It's nice meeting you
Yeah,
guys.
definitely. Thanks for
Yep,
coming
have a
out.
good one.
Well, drive safe.
Yeah. It's gonna be. You'll tell the difference. You'll see it. Definitely. Come on. Come on. Take a little loud.
That's a huge difference.
Better be quick. Better be quick. Get one.
Oh, yeah.
He's ready.
I can still hear it. Those cats, man.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah, just cats. Just
Now,
cats.
it's pad to lead or
No,
it's
just
cats.
Fab Speed cats.
Sport speed cats.
So it still has cats.
What'd you think of that? You need a new
That
exhaust.
was a little bit loud.
But just that was a lot louder
That
than
was
stock.
yeah, 100%.
Has that got you thinking about
100%.
the Fab Speed cats, or you're not too interested?
I don't know. I'll have to give it a little think over.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
So where do you want me to stand? You're gonna do it all from this side, and I'll do it from here.
Let's see who wins. All right, ready? Hold.
I'm ready with the stopwatch.
2, 1, go.
Hold on. Hang on. Wait a sec. Oh, don't keep going. Ah, fish.
I don't know. I feel that was unofficial. We're getting there.
Oh.
21.
That's it.
28.
28 seconds.
21 for the convertible. 28 for the hard
Dude, how
top.
do you feel? You got beat by a computer. I feel like we got smoked. That's it. You can though, to be fair. There was that pause.
What about putting it back on?
Oh, no, that'd be easier, I think. No, well, let's do it.
Do it.
I gotta sit inside to do that because I can't. You want to take a break?
No, I'm good. I think this one's better.
We'll find out.
2, 1, go. I know. Flips.
Oh,
Oh, you gotta close the back. Close the back.
Oh, I let go of the stupid.
Excuses.
Take 2.
That was a close one.
I know I could beat the convertible.
you've taken a few more Corvette tops off than most, though. So
You guys ready?
Someone give us a countdown. You ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Absolutely no pressure, ladies and gentlemen. Run! I'm going. Back clip, son. Back clip.
Buckle. 16.
That was pretty close.
it was within about a second. That was.
Back again.
You forgot the back.
The failure rate is 100%.
25.
It's it's so hard to get it lashed in there. Just solo. That's it. Unfortunately.
So when it comes to taking your top on and off for one person, the convertible definitely wins. If you had another person though, you could take her off real quick.
To 2 people. Yeah,
2
2 people
people.
pushing a button in the car too.
I've done that before. I've lost the roof.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, you're joking.
Over and over pass of a 401.
That's not good.
No.
You lost your roof?
I lost the roof. Not on the C8, but on a previous one.
C8, I was like, oh, roof number 2.
It went about 30 feet up in the air.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so you don't want to forget.
Yeah, so
nice and slow. Nice and slow as opposed to
he's not done the break-in period yet. Yeah, as soon as you walk so far away from it.
Oh, it automatically goes.
Yeah, it does sit higher.
Yeah,
it does. It definitely sits higher.
Yeah, I can feel it with my fingers in space.
Yeah.
Not a lot, it's like an inch. Not a whole lot, but it's there.
You think that's the lift that's causing that, or the mag ride?
Yeah, probably the lift.
It's the lift.
Because I have mag ride and no lift.
Yeah, I think it's the lift.
So that's comparable, I guess, to what.
Yeah, I think it's the lift though.
Yeah, it's the lift. Well, now you can with that kit.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This lowering kit. It's like $200.
Oh, that's decent. Yeah.
A lot of
Something
guys
to
have done
look
it.
into.
They talk good about it. No problems.
For us, it's since we don't have Z51 or mag ride, it's probably best to just try going aftermarket and get like KW or
Wait
something
till
to really.
coilovers
Yeah.
come out. Yeah. Amelia was working with KW on coilovers, but I don't know if they're out yet or not.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Fine, we'll do it again sometime. Oh, this is a nice shot with the clouds here.
Yeah.
It's actually really nice.
Oh, you guys have your windows down too. You can look through all of them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a sick shot.
Yeah, that's true. That is a
That's
dope
really
shot
cool.
going through them all.
How's the... Damn, dude. Let's see. All right, we got to take it back.
Does it at least come off or no?
Now you're gonna need a cleaning solution for that.
Let's see.
You need some kind of soap or something.
Something
It's
strong.
not scratched, thank God.
It's just dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a leather guy if it's scratched.
So take a look at the one.
It doesn't look scratched. I think we should clean it off just fine.
Yeah, you're fine. We use a guy at Audi that's really, really good for leather repairs. So
Yeah, it's hold up well. I was surprised because
Yeah.
it's more white than gray.
you haven't cleaned it or anything like that? So
This guy,
better than I
this guy
thought.
doesn't do anything.
No, no, it looks it's held up better.
Yeah, I enjoy cars just a tiny bit more than him, so I'll like be cleaning my car for doing this, you know. He's just like, no, I'm just gonna drive it.
I try to get my sons to clean it whenever they ask to borrow it. Like, you can borrow it, but you gotta clean it.
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Yeah,
That's a good deal.
For sure.
Meanwhile, I'm lying on the couch watching hockey.
Jeez, I wish my parents had nice cars to offer that.
Yeah, an 18-year-old with a Corvette.
I got a
I think I'm
minivan
I'm
back in
little
the day.
stupid, yeah.
I had to beg to get a minivan.
I'm not the smartest dad in the world.
I still though, it teaches them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of responsibility.
They drove the Challengers since they were 16, so that's why I text them.
Man, I was doing
It's the
laps.
worst when these guys hit the
The McLaren.
Awesome.
Have a good night, guys.
Yeah, take care. Safe drive home.
Yep. Thanks.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, my roof.
Holy dad, you're f***ing crazy.
Almost lost my roof. That would have been nice.